Here she comes. Here goes Care. Care just come. So what's up, guys, out there in YouTube world? We just all of a sudden decided out of nowhere that we would surprise Willow and go on a little family trip to the hotel for the weekend. Didn't we, babe?
Look outside.
So here we are. We're at the hotel. It's late. It's like 9 o'clock or later. And we're here. Willow's jumping up and down on the bed, being a fool. Carrie Ann's just went for a big grub order. And the potty seat, because it seems like we forget that every time we go anywhere.
Or leave it.
Or we leave it.
Outside.
Oh! Oh, I just missed him. I just missed him. Comment down below. What do you guys think? Do you think it was a game master?
That's the game master, definitely.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh man, you'll have to check back. We'll have to update you on videos on that.
Guys, that's the one on Steven Scher's video.
That's Steven and Cher. That's the game master.
Like the one where he finds his mask and his new part of his house.
I bet she's right, because look, there's a huge TP thing over there.
Yeah.
I bet you could be right. We'll have to check this all out.
This is the game master.
Oh, guaranteed. Comment down below if you guys, what do you think? There's flashing lights over there too.
Guys, check out tomorrow's vlog because we're going to go check that out.
Yeah, we're going to see what's going on over there. We got to find out what's going on.
I think he went in
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
By the way, Dad, what is that building?
I don't know. It's a huge TP. I don't know.
I think it's like a bank and he's going to get money to live outside so we can go back to Kennedy and Madison, Steven, Cher, and Grace, and
Really?
Liz, and all the other YouTubers.
Maybe he's going there to play some bingo. And he's going to hope to win and make the money.
Maybe he's coming to play with all the YouTubers and we're YouTubers, so maybe he's coming for us.
What? Oh, no.
By the way, he can't even get the key.
Right, we'll have to keep the door locked.
Yeah.
Right?
At all times.
At all times.
Guys, if you have a small butt, at all times,
Small butt.
keep a potty seat with you.
Ah. That's a good tip, Willow, right?
Yes, that is comfy.
Yeah. Pro tip from Willow. If you got a small bum, don't forget your potty seat.
You're 3 years old. I'm not 3. I'm 6.
Okay, guys. See you later.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.